These three things will get you rich without actually starting a side hustle, and I think they're arguably more important than actually just willy-nilly going and starting a side hustle. Because here's the thing, right? There are so many different ways to make money these days, a lot of ways to get rich, but what a lot of people don't do is they don't focus on the core fundamental things that really help them to build wealth and get rich. Instead, they just sort of jump into some random, make money online thing like drop shipping or Amazon FBA, and they don't realize that there are a lot of things that they need to focus on before they do it if they really want to get rich, okay? I've actually used these three things to generate millions online, and I'm just gonna literally share them with you right now. So the first thing, which is not super obvious, is instead of just jumping into something willy-nilly, you need to focus on your focus, basically, all right? And that's more important nowadays than ever before because people are just so used to moving from one thing to another thing to another thing. People don't have focus, right? Because we're kind of in the instant gratification era. You got your mobile phone, you've got YouTube, you've got AI, you can type something in, you can get the answer straight away. And so people become very impatient. And what they don't realize is that building wealth and getting rich has a lot to do with patience, right? The person that can hold their breath the longest wins. Gary Vaynerchuk famously said that, right? And so it's not about instant gratification, and it's not about jumping from one thing to another thing to another thing. It's really about understanding how to focus on one thing very, very deeply and keep doing it no matter what happens, no matter what the result is, for an extended period of time, right? Now, most people find it very, very difficult to do that because of, again, technology and instant gratification and, getting access to information at the tip of your fingers. But if you can learn to be patient, you just need to understand that businesses do take time to grow. It takes time for you to build wealth. It takes time for you to get rich. You can't get rich overnight. And so you have to kind of dispel or get rid of that thought that, yeah, you can become a millionaire by pushing a button on the internet overnight. There's just no such thing, right? Now, yes, the internet's going to help you to do certain things a little bit more quickly, but business 101, it still takes a little bit of time for things to grow, okay? So instead of, jumping into one thing or doing what a lot of entrepreneurs get trapped into, which is chasing that shiny object, right? Shiny object syndrome. And, I'm also, that happened to me. I'm not immune to that, right? In my first few years of trying to build my wealth and my riches online, I succumbed to, to shiny object syndrome. I jumped from one opportunity to another thing, to another push button software, to another biz op, to another make money online thing over and over and over again. And then I realized that that was really the wrong thing to do. What I needed to focus on was just focusing on one thing and doing everything in my power to get that to work, all right? So here's what I challenge you to do, okay? Start something, but don't jump from one thing to another thing for at least 6 to 12 months, minimum. Right? That means you have to keep doing the same thing for at least 6 to 12 months, and then you can take a look and analyze and be like, hey, is this thing really working for me or not, right? Because if you try something for 1 week and it's not working, when obviously it's not going to work after 1 week, and then you quit, and then you move to another thing for another week, then another thing for another week, then another thing for a couple of weeks, right? Then another thing for 1 month, and you keep quitting and you keep moving to the next thing, you're never going to build wealth. You're never going to get rich that way, okay? So focus is one of the most important skill sets that you can pick up and learn and deploy and really get good at. Focus on your focus. Just try not to move from one thing to another thing too quickly. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing that I would focus on, instead of just jumping into some random side hustle, is you need to increase your skill set. You need to increase your money-making skill set. Now, there are 3 skill sets that I would focus on if I were you and I was just getting started and I wanted to get really, really rich, okay? The first skill set I would focus on is I would learn to become a great marketer, okay? Because when you learn to become a great marketer, you can get exposure, you can get attention, right? So learn to market, like actually become a practitioner on all the different marketing strategies that you can do. I would focus on content, honestly. This is probably the best because this is what I learned to do as well. I think it's the best way to get exposure, right? If you think about it, all of the, social media platforms, right? They're free, okay? And the only thing that you really need to do is learn to get really good at them. And so if you can get really good at creating content on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, you can go viral. And when you go viral, you're going to get in front of millions and millions of people. So now you're getting free attention. And once you've got that attention, you can do anything you want with that attention. You can monetize it. You can generate leads. You can sell something. You can sell your own product. You can sell somebody else's product, right? You can do joint ventures. You can get brand deals, because if you're getting, millions and millions of views, a lot of companies will want to jump on those views and, do brand deals with you, right? So attention, it starts with attention, it starts with marketing. So be willing to invest in your marketing skill set. Learn to create content. I think this is one of the best ways to get rich, really, is to learn a really good marketing skill set, right? Number two, I would focus on learning money management skills, okay? Because unfortunately, you don't learn this kind of stuff in school. I never learned to manage my money in school. I learned, fuck all in school, honestly, right? It kind of taught me how to, socialize, maybe be a little bit responsible, things like that, go to classes, and you learn all sorts of random stuff. But does it actually teach you how to make more money or manage your money? Hell no, it doesn't, right? So you have to take responsibility on learning how to manage your money properly. Very, very simple things like think about, how much are you spending every single month? Are you living beyond your means, right? Do you have 5 credit cards or do you have 1 credit card, right? The less credit cards you have and the less you put on your credit cards, the better. All right. So if you've got like 10 credit cards and they're all maxed out, hey, you're going to get fucked, man, right? Because you got to pay those back. Stop, trying to keep up with the Joneses and stop buying everything, right? Do you need the latest iPhone? Or can you use an older iPhone model? That's what I did. I used my iPhone 5 for years and years and years. Even though I could very easily afford to buy a brand new iPhone every single year, I didn't, because I don't need the latest, greatest thing. And I knew that if I kept upgrading my life, even though, my income wasn't quite there yet, I would be trapped in debt. I would have too many credit cards and I wouldn't be able to pay it back, and I would be screwed. I wouldn't have any money to deploy elsewhere. Okay. And so managing your money and understanding your finances is a skill set that you can learn, you can get better at. And the better that you get at it, the more money that you're going to have to play with to invest in things that are important, like investing in a business, right? Investing in your side hustle, investing in a skill set like marketing, right? Buying courses, buying programs, getting mentorship, because these things aren't free. Okay. Please don't try and go onto YouTube and, try and learn like deep skills, because you're not going to learn it on YouTube. People are just going to send you round and round and round and round in circles. Okay. So be willing to put some skin in the game, be willing to build a little bit of a budget so that you can find a mentor, you can find a program, a course to learn a particular skill set that you want. All right. So money management will help you to get there. All right. Practice delayed gratification. You don't need to have everything instantly. You don't need to have the latest, greatest, model of whatever, right? Use your old stuff, right? Scale back your life. Okay, if you're living beyond your means, if you're trying to keep up with the Joneses, it's just going to get you fucked up. That's all, right? The third skill set to learn is investing. Okay, learn how to invest, learn the vehicles that you can invest, learn how to put your money into vehicles that will grow it even quicker, right? But honestly, it comes down to making lots of money and then taking that cash flow and then investing it. But it's still a good skill to learn anyway, right? So increase your skill set, learn marketing, learn content strategies, just learn to manage your money better so that you can build a pool of capital to then deploy that into something else and grow your riches even more, right? And then of course, learn to invest so that you can take up, that pool of capital and grow it as well for the long term, right? If you're not making money while you sleep, then you're going to be in your job until the day that you die. All right. Third thing is mindset. Super important. It's a little bit boring, but your mindset about the way that you look at things is going to be the difference between whether you stay poor and where you are right now or whether you become really, really rich. Okay. It's not that side hustle that you just go and start, because you could start 20 side hustles, but if you don't have the right mindset for it, you're going to lose and you're going to quit every single time. So there's 2 types of mindsets that you need to work on. All right. The first type of mindset is your own personal mindset and understanding things like having the right attitude, okay? Being grateful. Obviously understanding that, things take time, right? So if you're going to grow a business, if you're going to start something, you can't be jumping from one thing to another thing to another thing, okay? That is all mindset, right? Of course, as well, when you start something that, if it's not going to work out straight away, that you have to be patient. This is all mindset, right? Attitude, mindset, expectation, it's all in the mind. Because if you take 2 people, for example, there's person number 1 who quits every time they hit a roadblock and they run into the first sign of trouble. This person's going to lose. This person is not going to be successful. This is the vast majority of people. Okay, this is like over 90% of people that try to become rich. They quit too fast. They have the wrong mindset. They have the wrong attitude. They're not patient. They're very impatient, right? These people will lose every single time. Then you've got person B who works on their mindset. Okay, that understands that, hey, this is going to take a bit of time. I'm going to have to fail multiple times over and over and over again before I can tweak the strategy to make it work, right? It's going to take a little bit longer than I think it is. I understand that. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to keep trying, and I'm just going to keep falling forward. Now, this person is going to succeed way more than this person will, right? So that's sort of personal stuff. Then things like business mindset, understanding that business requires skin in the game. That means you can't build a business and, for example, try and do everything for free, because you can't. You just can't. I mean, yes, there are certain tools out there that are free, but if you really want to run a proper business and really get rich, you have to pay for stuff. You have to put skin in the game, right? You have to take some risk. You know, you can't not take any risk. You can't not spend any money. You can't not take any action. It's impossible to get rich and grow wealth that way, right? So you have to understand how businesses work and operate. It doesn't matter whether it's online or offline. They're the same. It's still a business, right? So it needs infrastructure. It needs tools. It needs strategy. And all of these things cost money, right? So you have to have the right mindset to even start a side hustle. I mean, if you're trying to start a side hustle with zero budget, you're not going to win, man. You're just going to lose. You're going to straight up lose. And it's okay. Go back to your full-time job. You're not ready to start a business yet. But understand that business mindset is very, very important. Have a budget. Be willing to spend a little bit of money, okay? Be willing to eat shit for 3, 6, 12, 18 months before you really start seeing great results, because that is just the name of the game. And if you're not willing to do that, then don't start a business. Don't try and get rich. Just stay where you are right now, because you'll never make it. Okay? I know that sounds really harsh, but that's just the truth. All right? This is how it works, and you have to be willing to grow some thick skin, and you have to be willing to do some work to actually get some great results. Okay? So focus on these 3 things instead of just jumping into the next random side hustle. All right? Number 1, focus on your focus. Number 2, increase your skill sets by focusing on a marketing skill set, money management skill set, and an investing skill set. And finally, work on your mindset, for God's sakes, right? Work on your personal mindset. Work on your business mindset. You need to stretch and grow and become the person who is worthy of riches, right? And until you get there, you will always be poor and you will always be stuck where you are right now, right? I hope you enjoyed this video today. And listen, if you want to do all these things, if you want to learn how to focus, if you want to focus on the right skill sets, you want to learn to get into the right mindset to grow wealth and become really, really, wealthy and rich, I highly recommend that you check the link down below, because this is the actual program where I cover all of these things to help you to get to the next level. I will see you in the next one.